I'm lazy Lakshmi.
मैम आपका वॉइस नहीं आ रहा है.
Sorry, Lakshmi ma'am, can I add something here?
Would you like to introduce yourself?
I want to speak to the students.
Give me one word.
I'm sorry. Put your cameras off. Over to Sudhir sir now.
Let me start with the airlines news.
Introduce yourself in a creative way.
Sometimes people are not beautiful in looks, not in what they say, and just in what they are. So hello everyone, this side is Neha Bist, and Neha means fulfilled with love.
I am talkative Talha. I am a very interesting person when it comes to talking because I love to talk. Sometimes I go very high with my speed.
Myself Tanya Kumari. I'm little bit shy in first, but when I get comfortable, I can't stop talking then.
My name is Charming Simran. I had completed my graduation in BCom from MD University. I had learned very good etiquettes from Skylark Institute.
How to crack cabin crew interview? Your personality speaks a lot about you. They want a confident personality. You're going to be the face of your organization. Bring that kind of personality, bring the best, how well you express yourself. You will come across different kinds of people. You should know how to express yourself. Next, dress appropriately. Dressing appropriately means आप अपनी image एयरलाइन के सामने कैसे रखना चाहते. Create a professional resume and carry your documents. Be genuine and honest. Be mindful and be alert.
ये सेशन एक करने के लिए व्हाट इज द हार्ड वर्क व्हिच गोज बिहाइंड दिस. 2 दिन लगते हैं हमारे को सारी सब चीजें तैयार करने के लिए. ये आपको कहीं बुक्स में नहीं मिलेगी और ना ही कोई आपको पढ़ा सकता है. दिस कम्स फ्रॉम एक्सपीरियंस. दिस कम्स फ्रॉम व्हाट वी सी, यू नो, वेयर चिल्ड्रन फेल. यू आर गिवन दिस इंफॉर्मेशन बिकॉज वी लव यू. वी आर कमिटेड टू गिव द बेस्ट नॉलेज टू आवर स्टूडेंट्स. गिव अस दिस 1 hour. We promise you that we will give you the best knowledge that you cannot get anywhere.
Domestic air passenger traffic up 31% at 66 lakh in August. 5 new airports, 6 heliports, and 50 new Udan routes in next 100 days. Fly with your own COVID safety kits. Airlines will not provide on domestic airlines. Canada opens for tourism for Indian travelers. India begins 49 international flights to 18 countries in September. Coming up to visas, Turkey scraps mandatory quarantine rule for fully vaccinated travelers from India. Talking about the new hotels which are coming up, talking about the latest news.
Each one of us have a specific amount of time that goes with every moment. Lost or wasted time cannot be recovered. Once a second is behind you, you cannot replicate it or you cannot return in your life. The value of unused minute drops to 0 the moment it is passed. We're trying to say that, you know, we are always busy. I'm very busy doing things I don't need to do. And जो करना होता है उसके ऊपर हम time नहीं लगाते. And then everything we want to transfer it to tomorrow. And what is tomorrow? A mystical land where 99% of all human productivity and achievement is stored. That tomorrow nobody knows whether it's going to come or not. There are 4 things that can never recover in our life. A stone that has been thrown in the valley, words after they have been spoken, an opportunity once it is missed, and time once it has gone. Considering the average lifespan of a human being nowadays, average age is about 70 years, is equal to 840 months. Our life is represented by this jar. Those 840 months are represented by the marbles in this jar. This year, already 9 marbles are already gone forever, never to come back again. Utilize your time well. Usain Bolt, fastest man on the earth. He spent less than 2 minutes on the track to win all these gold medals in his life and to make his worth like that. To get those 2 minutes value, Usain invested 20 plus years. Invest wisely on yourself. Invest in taking care of your body. Invest in nurturing and nourishing your relationship. Invest in finding and discovering your purpose, your calling. SWOT, strength, weakness, opportunities and threats.
Thank you very much for joining us. All the best to all of you. See you. Bye-bye.